To program a recipe with your Solwave Rapid Cook Oven, select Chef Cook and enter the preset password FlashTune or your previously set password. Click the plus symbol and select an image. Next, type the recipe name below the picture. Complete the cooking specifications by entering the cooking time, wave power, and fan power. Increasing wave power results in faster internal cooking through the use of microwaves. Increasing the fan speed will cook the exterior of the product more quickly and result in browning and crisping. Use temperature in tandem with these controls to generate your desired results. Press Save to store your recipe. To access recipes, return to the recipe book. Additionally, you have the option to save your personalized programs onto a USB and upload to a second oven. There are also options to adjust the language, brightness, sound, and download data that displays the most frequently used recipes. Reference the user manual for more detailed instructions on how to use these additional features.